Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Amazon FBM, or Fulfilled by Merchant. If you're considering selling on Amazon or want to understand different fulfillment options, this video is for you. What is Amazon FBM? Unlike FBA, where Amazon stores and ships your products, with FBM, you, the seller, handle storage, packaging, and shipping directly to customers. Pros of Amazon FBM. Control. You have full control over your inventory, packaging, and shipping methods. Cost management. Avoid Amazon's fulfillment fees and potentially save on storage costs. Flexibility. Ideal for sellers with unique products or larger items that are less suited for Amazon warehouses. Cons of Amazon FBM. Logistics. Managing logistics and ensuring timely delivery can be challenging. Prime eligibility. You may not qualify for Amazon Prime benefits unless you meet Seller Fulfilled Prime (SFP) criteria. Customer expectations. Meeting Amazon's strict delivery standards and handling customer service directly can be demanding. How to get started with Amazon FBM. Create an Amazon seller account. Sign up as a seller on Amazon Seller Central. List your products on Amazon, ensuring accurate descriptions and competitive pricing. Manage inventory. Keep track of inventory levels and fulfill orders promptly. Optimize shipping. Choose reliable shipping carriers and offer competitive shipping rates to attract customers. Tips for success with Amazon FBM. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to maintain positive seller ratings. Optimize listings. Use high-quality images and detailed descriptions to attract buyers. Monitor performance. Stay updated with Amazon's seller policies and performance metrics. Conclusion. Fulfilled by Merchant is crucial for your Amazon selling journey. Have any questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below.